To check your account balance on Wix, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the Wix platform to find your balance quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Wix dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your website and account settings. Step 3. Navigate to billing and payments. On the left sidebar of the dashboard, look for the billing and payments option. Click on it to access your financial information related to your Wix account. Step 4. View account balance. In the billing and payments section, you will see your current account balance displayed prominently. This will show you any available credits or outstanding amounts. Step 5. Review transaction history. If you want more details, you can also review your transaction history in the same section. This will provide insights into past payments and any charges applied to your account. Now you can easily check your account balance on Wix whenever needed. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the Help Center or contact Wix support.